Hello all, welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel. With the onset of winter, my obsession for winter vegetables is not going to end soon. With so much colors available in the vegetable platter, I decided to make a super healthy Mediterranean style pasta for dinner today. Along with green capsicums and chilies, red carrots and tomatoes, pale green cabbages and yellow sweet corns, I got a zucchini as well. Incidentally, this is my first stint with zucchini. Zucchini is of goat family and with mild taste, but is nutrient dense. Oh yes, we harvested lots of green spinach from our kitchen garden today. I shall be using a few leaves from the fresh harvest. Let me proceed with the cutting and chopping of the vegetables now. Along with the exotic vegetables, I am also using an onion which is sliced and 10 to 12 cloves of garlic chopped. Now let me boil some pastas in salted water till al dente, and along with that in the other oven I am boiling some sweet corns as well. Though olive oil seems to be the first preference for cooking this recipe, I am using sesame oil which is close to the taste of the same. Adding to it a dollop of butter as well. To it goes some chopped garlics, broccolis, carrots and onions. Stir fry for some time. Add shredded cabbage, chopped tomatoes, the spinach leaves, now in goes our zucchinis. In goes some sweet corns, add salt to taste, and a lot of water will be released now. Stir a bit and cover cook for some time. Meanwhile, let me crush some black peppercorns. And once the vegetables are thoroughly cooked, add the chopped capsicums like this and stir fry a bit. Once done, add the boiled pasta along with some pasta water and stir fry. In goes the crushed black peppercorns. Mix well. Now just before switching off the gas, grate a block of cheese. You may be generous with cheese as well. And yes, our super healthy and tasty Mediterranean styled pasta is ready and served. Hope you liked the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.